Good evening, joyful baby on the board. I don't have any makeup on my face, but I have the eyeshadow and the lid and the lipstick. I want to show you what I use to remove my makeup before washing my face. This is made up of lime and nectar. Yeah, I do use it because I have oil face, so I use this to remove my makeup. Yeah, I've cleaned the makeup. I wish you can hear the scent and the mentha pepperish into my skin. Look, I removed the eyeshadow and the eyebrow and the lipstick because I told you before I don't have any tip and cake on my face. These are my natural face. So I'm going to wash my face right now, apply my treatment. Applying my treatment will be next time. I will show you how I do. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Joyful Baby Care. On Instagram, Joyful Baby Care. There are a lot of video I will be dropping, so we learn from it, from each other. Thanks.